Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on Enter. After that, you'll be directed to official page of Codecademy. Now, at the top navigation bar, you can see Login button. Click on it. Then you will need to type in your email address or username on this field here and your password on this field. Or if you have signed up using your Google account, Facebook, LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter or an Apple account, you can simply click on these respective buttons. Or if you have forgotten your password, click on I forgot my password link and follow the procedures to reset it. I have signed up using my Google account, so I am going to click on this button here. As you can see that I have been logged into my account. So that is how you can log into your Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.